Tatay, sali po namamang na po ninyo sa lugar po ninyo na agko po baga kamo kanal. So, uno po so namamang ninyo na pag agko po kita bagyo, nababarado po ba kanal? Sa tingin nyo po anang basura na nakatipon sa kanal, ano po kaya nagiging dahilan? Kinata pag nagbabagyo, nagbabaha.
Barado kaya mga kaling.
Dahil po, sa tingin nyo po, isay po kagibukan na nga nababarado po anang kali.
Hari ka mga ating kung aging.
Sa tingin nyo, tatay, anang agko kasalanan is adi pong mga awo. Amo man sana po gigibo sa paagi kingata nababarado po ang mga kanal. So, tatay, ano po masasabi nyo po sa mga tawong nagigibo po sa mga arugan?
Sa patim, mangnunit yung kabarangay.
Ipanan po, okay, dapat po mangnoon ka barangay. Tama man po.
Hindi mabarang.
Pero tatay, pag nababaha po sa sadi or diriman, pero nababarado po. Nababarado po ang kanal.
Sa din ang tinampagin.
Ay, arug po.
Barado ba ang kaling?
Opo. Sige. So, tatay, di ba po pag nagbabagyo, ang possibility na magbaha? Sa tingin nyo po, so mga nagiging dahilan, tingata po nababarado adi pong kanan ninyo po sa Santiago.
Una yung Tagalog, English o?
Dawa at dawa ano po?
Sa una po, kalagigan po sa baha, kaya ating mga residente sa di Barangay Santiago na mo, di magparapon sa basura. Saka po, kalinigan kada barangay na mo, kaya pa doon, may pagbuhan nagtatabang ating estudyante sa Baaw. Saan po kada barangay, mapatuloy po Barangay Kapitan, Rodrigo Calcido, saka Pagkakabiliang Council, na naumayaman kami kaninyo na mga estudyante sa Baaw, sa Libao, na nagtatabang po kamusadi, sa iba po, pamampugira din ninyo sa paninyo kaya ako pandigigan sa pagbabaha na dapat laging marinig kita di magparapon sa basura, akalinigan saan, saka di magparapulit sa kahoy. Manipulat saan. Ako pa man nagpiruan ako nagkaroon sa nagpupulit sa kahoy. Di bali na ninamuya ka na ka, pinikipa ng kuman, trabaho sa natin. Parang sa po kaya nakapaglasang kaka na kuha, na di magparaba, taas na si Pigato. Di ko parapuling niya ko sa po ang nakuwasan, ang problema. Kaya po, ikan po sa ako po ba. Salamat po kaninyo na kayo po sa barangay, pamagigil sa Baaw, na nagpamang po kamo sa dinabli nyo ni Maria sa barangay na kakalinigan.
The canals of Santiago, Iriga City widespread a story of neglect, a story etched in the layers of accumulated trash, a testament to years of improper waste disposal. More than just sludge water waste, we represent a community struggling under the weight of environmental degradation, a silent threat to public health and well-being. This wasn't merely a picturesque settings. It was a critical infrastructure component, vital for drainage and sanitation, now choked by a suffocating tide of refuse. This stark reality became the driving force behind our project-based learning initiative. We knew a simple cleanup wouldn't suffice. A superficial approach would only offer temporary relief, a fleeting moment of clarity before the insidious tide of pollution returned. Our goal transcended the immediate removal of waste. We aim to address the root cause, a persuasive lack of awareness and understanding regarding proper waste segregation and responsible waste management. This necessitated a multi-pronged strategy, one that combined the physical act of cleaning with a robust educational component. The Baaw Community College B.Ed 3C descended upon Santiago not just with the gloves and trash bag, but with a deep-seated commitment to fostering lasting change. We tackle the mountains of garbage with a fervor born of purpose, transforming the seemingly insurmountable task into a shared experience of collective action. The transformation was palpable, the gradual clearing of the canals, the slow unveiling of the waterways beneath the debris serve as a powerful visual representation of our collective efforts, but our work extended far beyond the physical cleanup. We engage the community directly, establishing informational booths and distributing educational materials. We explain the interconnectedness of proper waste segregation, environmental health, and community well-being. We didn't just preach, we listened, engaging in conversation that foster understanding and mutual responsibility. We empowered residents to become active participants in the ongoing effort, transforming them from passive observation into active agent of change. The success of our project wasn't measured solely by the volume of waste removed, by the seeds of awareness we planted, the conversation we sparked, and the lasting commitment to environmental stewardship we helped to cultivated. This project-based learning experience transcended the confines of the classroom, providing an invaluable real-world application of theoretical knowledge. It forged a powerful connection between academic learning and tangible community impact, demonstrating the transformative potential of collaborative action and the profound responsibility we all share in protecting our environment. The canals of Santiago, once a symbol of neglect, now stand as testament to the power of collective effort, a beacon of hope for cleaner, healthier future.